Alright friends, now we are going to learn how to use the substring method. Let's say we have this main string, I love programming. String, I can change it, message equals to I love programming. Alright, you see this is a long text and we want to extract a specific part of it. For this purpose, I can use substring method. So how can I use it? I can print directly or assign to the new variable. I say system.out.println and then after message I use substring method. So in substring I give begin index and then end index. For example, if I say 0, so I put my comma and then 2. You see my begin index is 0, the end index is 2. So 2 is not included. So it means I will print the element which is at index 0 and which is at index 1. So I save it and I run it. You see, I run it. Yes, you see just I appears on the screen, but I and empty space. Because empty space is also an element. So if I change it from 2 to 4, I will print the element at index 0, 1, 2 and 3. So my element I is at index 0 and this at index 1 and L at index 2 and O at index 3. So I will print I, empty space, L and O. So let's run it. I save it and I run my code. You see I, empty space, L and O, I print it to the screen. The substring can be stored in a variable and used anywhere in your program. In this example, we only printed it to the screen. So this is how we use substring method in Java programming. I hope the explanation was clear.